Are you trying to figure out whether CrankWheel or ClickMeeting is the better option for your business? Well, stick around because in this quick explainer, we're diving into both tools to help you decide which one truly fits your needs. We're also going to be fair about it so you can make an informed decision. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share an exclusive deal for the best software for your business goal, along with some top alternatives. Let's get started. CrankWheel and ClickMeeting both help you with online meetings, but they focus on different aspects of the process. CrankWheel, for example, is all about simplifying the sharing process during live sales calls. It allows you to share your screen instantly with prospects without needing to get them to install software. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch: its main focus is on screen sharing during one-on-one meetings. So, if you're looking for something more robust, with added features like webinars or group video conferencing, it might not be your best choice. Next thing, ClickMeeting comes in strong in the meeting and webinar department. It's designed for people who want to host online meetings for large groups, like webinars or virtual events. ClickMeeting includes advanced features like automated email notifications, whiteboards, and even polls to keep your audience engaged. But while these features are great for big meetings, if you're just doing quick sales calls or smaller, personal interactions, all these extras might feel a bit overwhelming. Also, ClickMeeting can feel a little complex to set up for those who need a simple, easy-to-use tool. Now, let's talk pricing. CrankWheel's pricing is fairly straightforward. Since it's designed for smaller scale meetings, it tends to be more affordable if you're mainly looking for a tool to streamline your one-on-one calls. But as your needs grow and you want features like group video calls or more customization, the pricing starts to become less competitive. On the other hand, ClickMeeting has different pricing tiers, so it can get pricey if you're a small business or a startup that only needs basic functions. It's definitely better suited for businesses looking to scale, but if you're just starting out, it could feel like overkill. The fourth thing to keep in mind is ease of use. CrankWheel definitely shines in this department. It's incredibly intuitive and doesn't require much training to get started. You can jump right in and start sharing your screen with customers. In contrast, ClickMeeting has a steeper learning curve, and while it offers more features, those features come at the cost of a more complicated interface. If you're a business looking for simplicity and speed, CrankWheel wins here. But, and here's where the plot thickens, you might have noticed some limitations with both tools. If you're looking for something that provides a comprehensive, seamless experience for both individual calls and larger meetings, neither of these options might fully cover your needs. That brings me to my recommendation. There's another software that I think could really serve your business goals better. This tool offers an extended free trial through our link, and it has all the features you need, plus some. The best part? It's not just great for quick meetings or webinars, but it also integrates better with other tools you might already be using, which CrankWheel and ClickMeeting don't do as well. By signing up through our link, you get exclusive benefits and the best possible free trial deal for the software, which is only available to our viewers. But don't worry, I've also included a list of amazing alternatives in case the software doesn't quite meet your specific needs. Remember, at the end of the day, the right tool for your business depends on your goals. CrankWheel is great for quick calls, ClickMeeting is fantastic for large webinars, but if you want a tool that covers it all with fewer compromises, make sure you check out the exclusive offer linked below.